Hello there guys, welcome back to R&G Forge, and today we're going to be making, or attempting to be making, a basket twist out of these pieces of 6mm round. Now, in case you don't know what forge welding is, it's not particularly the easiest thing to do. However, I found it's much easier than most beginners think it is to do. Now, so that's the problem we have here, and that's the point that might make us fail in attempting to forge weld this. And I haven't been doing much forge welding, I haven't done much forge welds in the past, so this is going to be pretty interesting, especially as I'm doing a video out of it. Now, so as you can see, I'm wrapping these four pieces together only on one side, so that they hold together in the fire, and then we're going to forge weld them together on one side and take the wire off and forge weld the other side. And if all that goes well, we should have a basket twist by the end of the video. So yeah, right, so what I'm going to do, get the fire up to temperature again, welding heat, and put the steel in the fire and weld the two sides. So the fire is now close to welding heat, and I'm going to be attempting to be welding this without flux. And you can forge weld without flux, but I do have flux and I do use it. However, I find that with small bits like this, the flux kind of just gets in the way, and all the pull that the flux creates on the surface of the steel makes it really slippery, and the pieces go everywhere. So now, what you want to do in forge welding, this is especially for beginners that maybe never find that their welds stick. If you put the steel too far down in the fire, the oxygen from the air burns the metal before it gets to forge welding heat. So what you want to do is put it up in the surface. That's why you're going to want to have a really strong blower if you're using a coal forge, and you're going to want a few wasting propane using a propane forge instead of a fuel efficient propane by adding more air into the propane forge. So put the steel in the surface of the fire up here, and we're going to let that sit and soak the heat slowly for a while, and oops, the tongs are hot, and the fire is not quite at welding heat yet, but we'll let it soak and hopefully we can weld. Okay, so we're going to take the first welding heat. Now we just got to do the other side. I finally successfully welded both sides. I'm going to put a scroll on one end for the ring. And then we're going to use the jigs that we talked about in yesterday's video to form the curl and the ring on the back, and that's just going to be better than using the horn for this one. Now, finally, after all that work, there's only one step left, putting the twist in. And there it is. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I certainly did. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.